In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends using a QR code here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, not only are we going over how you can add friends using the QR code, but how you can also get a QR code to add friends here in Brawl Stars. So we're going to cover both of those. Now, adding friends here in Brawl Stars with the QR code is obviously super easy. You just need to scan their QR code, and the best way to do that is just by using your phone's camera. Scanning their QR code is going to automatically open up Brawl Stars and add them onto your profile. Now, to actually go ahead and get your own QR code for your friends to scan, simply go ahead and tap on your profile in the top left corner, and you're going to see all these different options. Right next to your name and your Supercell ID, there's going to be a personal QR code that you can go ahead and click, and it should look something like this after doing so. From here, you can take a screenshot if you want, but you don't have to. You just need to show this QR code to your friend in person, and when they scan this, they'll instantly be able to add you as a friend. But that's it. Quick, simple, and no typing needed. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Brawl Stars tips and tricks. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Brawl Stars content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.